Hi dear students, welcome to business studies class. In this video we are going to discuss about what are the dimension of business environment. So already we are started our third chapter, that is the business environment, and it is a third video of dimension of business environment. So there are total 5 dimension of business environment, that is economic environment, social environment, legal environment, political environment and technological environment. So one by one we are going to discuss about it. According to exam point of view, this is a very important question. Sometimes this question is going to ask for 4 marks and as well as for project oriented question also this question is going to be asked. Okay, so let's see what is the economic environment. So what is the economic environment? Maybe you are learned in economics subject, but just in short I am going to explain here. So what are the GDP, income level, employment rate or monetary policy? If these are going to be changed, business environment going to be changed. Okay, I hope you know all these things, but once again I am explaining what is the GDP means. What are the means gross domestic product. Okay, so GDP means total value of all goods and services produced in a country for a period of time. Means suppose you can take for 1 month, otherwise you can take for 1 year. Over the one year period of time within our country, what are the values of goods and service are going to be produced. For that we are going to call as a GDP. You can take example, suppose due to the coronavirus everything is locked down. Okay, so that time mostly minimum only little amount of business are going to run. Okay, so there is no more production and there is no production of services also. So our GDP, what is the GDP of our country, it is going to decreased now. Okay, because everything is locked down, how we can produce the things and how we can measure the value of these things. So GDP is going to decreasing now. Okay, so income level, all of you know what is the income level. Next what is the employment rate. On monetary policy, monetary policy means what, this manage the money supply. Okay, money supply to bank and what are the interest rate on that money. Means if you go for the to take a loan for your business, that time they are going to apply some interest rate. Okay, so such interest rate are going to describe this monetary policy. So if these things are going to be changed, business environment going to be changed. Means if any factor related with the economic thing of our country that is directly affected to our business, means this impact directly and immediately on a business. Means impact immediately and directly on our business. So to survive these things, what action should be taken? So timely action is very necessary for this kind of environments. Okay, so you can take example here. Due to the demonetization, what are the effects happened on business? Already all of you seen. Means demonetization means removal of 500 and 1000 notes. What are the problems arised at that time? Everyone experienced. Okay, so that is the economic environment. So very important thing, you should take a action immediately and immediately, that is a very important thing. Okay, so next one is social environment. What is a social environment? Means what are the standard of living of our customer. Okay, standard of living means if the customers are very poor or they are with belong with the middle class or rich family. Okay, so taste of customer, nowadays taste of customer means choice of customer to customer, it is going to be changed. Okay, next education level of our customer or traditions and habits affect on a business. Means these things are not more important for our business. Means we are thinking that if we are going to produce anything, otherwise if we are going to establish some business, that time we are not going to take care of these things because we are not giving any importance for the social environment. But this we cannot overlook on this because this may not have immediate impact but have a great impact on our business. How? You can take example here. Suppose mostly in urban people, if they are more awareness about the health and their physical fitness, so there is a more demand of product, so that is the standard of living of that people. Okay, so if you are producing their drugs and alcohols and tobacco, how your product can be purchased at that area. Okay, so that is a very important thing to see what are the standard of living, taste of customer, otherwise tradition and habits, that are also very important thing for our business to survive in that area. Okay, so next one, that is a political environment. So what is a political environment means what? Foreign policy of government, otherwise government intervention. Government intervention means government interference in our business. Okay, so policy, otherwise attitude of government towards different categories like region, gender or age, means some policies, government policies are made for women, especially for youngsters. So there are different policy for gender, means for women there are different policy, otherwise for young people there are different policy, if retired people there are different policy. So what are these political environment that is also affected on our business? So these things are immediate and great impact on our business. Means what? You should be aware about the political environment and necessary action, otherwise timely action you should take, otherwise there is a lot of losses for your business. Okay, so this thing you should scan carefully and make change in your business. If any political policies are going to be changed, you should scan it. Means always as a businessman you should keep update knowledge things for your business. Okay, so that is the political environment. So next is legal environment. Legal environment already I think you are learned in your political science subject. Okay, so what are the laws and legislations passed in a parliament for business? Okay, so laws means all of you know what are the rules made by the government, and legislation means it is a process of making a law. So what are the laws and legislation passed in parliament for business, like a weight and measurement act? Means what? What is the weight of that product you should mention on that packet, that is a compulsory. Okay, what are the weight and measurements, that is a weight measurement act. Otherwise a trademark act. Trademark means it is a symbol, means it is a symbol marked by company. Okay, so no one going to copy it. Okay, so that is the trademark act. On essential commodity, otherwise essential commodities act. So these are affected on business. Means what? If you are doing your business without taking care of these legal things, so there may be a problem for your business. So you cannot overlook on these things, and transaction should be within the framework of this legal environment. Means what? You are doing a transaction for your business, it should be within the framework of your legal environment. So what are the necessary legal documents provide while establishing the company, that is also important. Means what you are doing for your business, you should go legally, that is a very important thing. Example you can take here, mention the MRP on product, that comes under the legal environment. Means that is a compulsory. If you are not mentioned on that product, there may be a problem for your business. So that is the very important thing. Next, last one, that is a technological environment. So what is a technological environment? If any changes takes place in method of production, otherwise machineries, to improve the quality of products, such changes in technology affected on business. Mean technology changes directly affected on business. See, day by day technologies are going to updating the things. Suppose one machinery, it is going to produce 100 pieces per day, and you are having that machinery, and that is producing 100 pieces per day. And after some days, otherwise after some years, the efficiency of that machinery, it is going to decrease. Means it is going to produce 90 pieces or 80 pieces for per day, and in market new technology arises, and that can be produced 150 pieces per day. So which is the greater thing? If you want to increase your productivity, if you want to save your cost and lot of benefits to your business, you should purchase a new machinery for your business. Okay, so it need to closely monitor and implement this change if possible to survive in a market. Suppose if you are producing 80 pieces per day, that is means your productivity is going to be decreased that time, and if you want to survive in a market, you should go with the updated technology, otherwise it is affected on your business. So to improve quality, to improve quantity, to reduce production cost and more benefits for your business, you should keep updated with the technological environment. So that is also very important thing. So what are these five environment of your business that are the very important thing for your business environment? And according to exam point of view also, these things are very important. If you have any doubt, please ask. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.